Hello, good evening, people. How are you? I am Sankit Mode Octave once again in front of you. I just here taking the timing of Nifty future, but I have plotted the uh, timing here the Nifty spot. But you what to do? We must do this trade on a Nifty future, not on the Nifty spot, right? So what are the timings? First timing of the first candle of the 5 minutes 9:15. Second one is 10:35, and the third one is 12:35. The three timings are very vibrating times for tomorrow. That is 12th of my 13th of my 2026. But what I have done here, I have marked another green candle at 3:15. Right? This is the why it is green, because it is a completely turning point time for and Friday. Maybe for next week also. Little turning point this time 3:15, 15:15 for Thursday and Friday, and might be possible that trend will continue next week with such direction upside, because the downward movement with a gap downs must be complete. So there's only one gap we have, where it is this one. Okay, let me show you. This one gap only we have. Actually, this one. See, from here to this one only. What is the high of this one? 23153. What we are, where already we are 23321, nearby 200 points, maximum 150 points. After the 150 points, what we'll do? After the 150 points, I am pretty much sure that tomorrow this time of 3:15 will rock the market and the trend will start moving upside. I hope this video will gives you benefits. All right. At the last of this video, if you want to join my tuitions, you are most welcome. Those person who are not able to pay the tuition fees as a feeling that is a larger amount, you can teach. You can learn. Sorry, my apologies. You can learn by just paying the installments. Okay, rest my number is in front of you. If any discussion you want to do, you're most welcome. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye. Good night. See you tomorrow.